สวัสดีครับทุกคนสบายดีไหมครับ In this video we will be doing some reading practice. Okay, so let's go over some basic knowledge that we should have before we can start to read the transcriptions. Okay, the first one is about the vowels. Thai has 9 monophthongs, okay, and each monophthong has a long and short version and 3 diphthongs, okay. So the 9 monophthongs in Thai are here. Let me just pronounce them for you. You can repeat after me at home also. A, 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 E, 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 I, 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 O, 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 U, 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 E, 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 uh, 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 oh, 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 uh, 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 okay. So this thing, remember, it's called, oops, this thing is called epsilon. It's a Greek letter. So, like aircon, okay. This one is the word in koko, and this one is tư, like tư kha, all right, tư, The 3 diphthongs are ear, and So what you need to remember about the diphthongs is that when you pronounce them, don't rush. You need to give each monophthong in a diphthong time to pronounce. So say ear instead of ear, okay? Instead of okay? Next, the consonants. Thai has 21 consonantal sounds, okay? And all of them can occur as an initial consonant of a syllable, but only 8 of them can occur as the final consonant of a syllable. I unfortunately forgot to mention this in the first lecture video, right? But this is very important, okay? So let me just go through the pronunciation of the consonants again. For the non-aspirated stops, which means that there's no puff of air when you pronounce them, they are ko, cho, to, do, po, bo, and the glottal stop, o. So we use this when we pronounce words that begin with a vowel. For example, apple, right, in English. In English, we don't see any consonant here, but actually there's a glottal stop here, all right? Apple, right? Apple. Next, the aspirated stops. Notice that there's a H in each of them, so there must be a puff of air. So this is ko, cho, to, and po. Next, the nasals. Remember that the nasals have some airflow in the nasal cavity when you pronounce them. So they are ngo, like ngo hiang, no, and mo. Okay, next are the fricatives. Fricatives means turbulent airflow. So we have saw, for, and ho. Next are the liquids. We have raw and law. Remember that the R sound in Thai is a rolling R, it's a rhotic R. So it's like raw. Okay. Lastly, we have the glides, war, and yaw. Okay. Notice that I highlighted 8 characters over here. These 8 characters can occur as the final consonant of a syllable. All right. So we have PTK, PTK. If you learn Thai at like NUS and NTU, they will use this mnemonic for you, like PTK. Remember PTK, PTK when you learn about live and dead syllables. Okay. Okay. So the PO sound, right, is a bilabial consonant. It's a bilabial stop. The TO sound is an alveolar stop, and the GO sound is a velar stop. And if we maintain the place of articulation, right, and we change the manner of articulation to nasal, we have mo, no, and ngo. Okay. And lastly, we have the semi-vowels, wa and yaw. Okay, so all these consonants can occur as the final consonant in a syllable. The rest cannot. Okay. Next, about the tones. We have 5 lexical tones in Thai. All right. They are the mid-tone, the low tone, the falling, the high, and the rising tone. So the pronunciation is as such. Okay. Ma or ma, 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 ma. Okay. If you use the pitch scale, right, it will be 3, 3, ma, 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 5, 1, ma, 3, 5, 3, 5, and ma, 2, 1, 4. Okay, remember? Ma, 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 ma. Okay, so these are the conventional names, mid, low, falling, high, rising, that they use in the universities. As for the original Thai names, they are called Siang Saman, Siang Ek, Siang To, Siang Tri, and Siang Chatawa. Okay? Translated, they are the common tone, tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, and tone 4. Right? In Chinese, we will call it 普通声, the mid tone, 低声, the low tone, 第二声, the falling tone, 第三声, the high tone, and lastly, 第四声, the rising tone. Okay, Ek means 1, To means 2, Tri means 3, and Chatawa means 4 in Sanskrit, some Indian language. Okay, so a way to remember, right, is Siang Saman, common tone, right? Saman sounds like the Saman auntie. Okay, like over here, Saman auntie, and Ek sounds like egg. All right, To sounds like our toes, and 3 sounds like tree. Okay, and Chatawa is just something we can just like learn. Okay. Lastly, let's talk about the syllable structure in Thai. Okay, I didn't mention this in the first lecture, but let's go through this.